So how do you get from the airport to the port and back again? To the city, to your hotel? How does that happen? How do you do that? And what kind of money are we talking about? Hi, I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. So what about transfers? Well, sometimes when you book a cruise with an agent or direct with the cruise line, they will put a price that's all included, where you get the flights and the transfers and the cruise, all part of the same package. And it might be that in that case, it's kind of a block booking, and a load of people are going out on the same plane, a load of people are getting on the same coach and going to the ship, and that's fine. But sometimes you get a cruise only price, which is really, really good, and you want to book that cruise. You then book your flights separate. We tend to look on Skyscanner or something like that and come up with flights that suit us, the timings and etc. We do that all online. But transfers, sometimes it's cheaper to book your own transfers than it is to go through your travel agent. Your travel agents have got access to certain companies, certain travel or transfer companies that they use as a matter of course. We've actually been caught out. We did that through a travel agent and we ended up standing around for ages. They didn't show up. They just didn't come, and we had to make lots of phone calls, and eventually they showed up. But we found that when we've done it ourselves, we very rarely have any issues. There are a couple of companies that my husband uses. Sun Transfers is one. We've used those in America. We've used those in lots of different places. But again, you've got to shop around. Let's face it, a transfer is a transfer. A bus is a bus. A car is a car. If you're going to get from A to B, you want to get it for the best price, right? I'd rather pay less and have more money to spend on my holiday. I don't know about you. So just a little bit of time. Now, at the moment and again, I'll put all these links in the comments for you. But we, at the moment, use a company called GetTransferscom. And that's like a bidding site almost. What you do is you put in the date you want and what you're looking for, how many of you there are, how much luggage there is, etc. And they then put it out to tender. And different companies come back with offers to you for what you've asked for. We did that last year from Hamburg airport to Hamburg port and back again. And oh no, it's just going because we got off at Southampton. So just from the airport to the port, and we ended up getting 3 minibuses, and it cost us there were three minibuses full of us, obviously, and it cost us £10.50 each, I believe, which was nothing. I think it's about 45 minutes. So we're going to do the same again when we go Hamburg port to Hamburg airport to Hamburg port in April. We've already put out to tender, but you have to be a bit patient. If there's only 2 of you, it'll probably come back quite quickly, but we're bidding for April at the moment, so we're kind of waiting. But you can again get prices from different ones, but we've used those 2 particular companies. We've used several times and never found a problem. The cars are always nice, the drivers are always good, they know what they're doing, and they always get us there when they're supposed to, and they're waiting for us when they're supposed to be. So if you're a little bit unsure, maybe you haven't done it before, then hey, get your travel agent to organise it, or get a package deal. But once you're a little bit more experienced or a bit bolder, then just do it. Just do it yourself, because you get your paperwork, you've got it all, you print it out, you've got the car number, and mind you, that's not always right. It wasn't in Dubai, it was a totally wrong number. But we still found us, we still got it. But they'll tell you the number of the car that you're looking for, where to wait, and yeah, they'll look after you. So that's just another bit of your journey where you can either spend a lot or save a bit. So what should you do? Let the cruise line sort it, let your travel agent sort it, or sort it yourself. It depends. If you've got money to spare and you don't mind paying someone to do it, hey, let your travel agent sort it. if you would rather save your money to spend on your holiday, then you do it, because it's not bad. Okay, so hope that was helpful. If it was, just please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. Bye.